Polymorphism is the ability of a compound to exist in more than one form or crystal structure. Different polymorphs can each display very different properties, including bioavailability, hygroscopicity, and stability. How molecules are arranged in the solid state and the properties of these new forms are unpredictable. This video helps visualize an example of crystallization in a polymorphic system. When a solid compound, such as acetaminophen, is added to a solvent system, heat must be applied to achieve a clear solution. This eliminates seed crystals of the starting material that could influence the outcome of the experiment. When the system is cooled, the solubility of the compound decreases, providing a driving force for crystallization. Nucleation of a solid phase occurs through the formation and collision of molecular clusters with a particular arrangement of molecules. A repeating, long-range, three-dimensional structure is generated as additional molecules are added to the solid phase. That interaction continues as the system continues to cool and the crystalline particles grow larger. The result of this particular crystallization is acetaminophen form A. Next, let's consider a different solvent system, a slightly different concentration of acetaminophen, or perhaps a different temperature profile as a means to crystallize a different polymorph. Again, the solid is added to the solvent and the system is heated until the solid is completely dissolved. As the system cools, the solution becomes supersaturated, and material begins to crystallize. In this case, the interaction between the functional groups of the molecules and their spatial arrangement is different, giving rise to a different polymorph, acetaminophen form B, that has a different crystal habit, shape, or size of the resulting particles relative to acetaminophen form A. Depending on the conditions used to crystallize the materials, the solvent systems, the temperatures, or potentially different impurity profiles, we can generate different polymorphic crystal forms. In this example, acetaminophen form A or form B.